to make a special popcorn for the PJ Pesks. Wow! What is this? Romeo must have set another trap for us. Smells like chocolate. No, Gekko, don't open it. Delicious chocolate plus surprises? That's not a trap. These are presents. Curse you, PJ Masks. What do we do now? There's only one thing to do. Let's open the surprises. Woohoo! Toy surprises! Look, a Chupa Chups from Peppa Pig. George, and he's holding Mr. Dinosaur. Here's the little flyer. Shopkins basket. Sparkling basket. 2 Shopkins and collector's guide. Taylor Rainey. And Ginger Fred. Minnie Mouse chocolate egg. Minnie. Stickers. And a flyer. Minnie Mouse with a yellow dress. Hey, we still have one more surprise from My Little Pony Fashions. Adorable little pony. Thank you, Romeo. This was the best surprise ever. Woohoo!